With red meat getting more expensive and environmental concerns rising, people are turning toward affordable, efficient sources of protein. And that's where chickens come in. Okay? Chicken meat and eggs are already staple foods across the globe. And unlike cattle or pigs, chickens need far less land, water, and feed to produce the same amount of protein. A second reason is that there is fast turnarounds and also a high ROI. One of the biggest reasons chicken farming is gaining momentum is its fast production cycle. Broiler chickens can be market ready in just 5 to 7 weeks. Just imagine. That means a farmer can earn returns quickly and with global planning, even run multiple cycles per year. Compared to other livestock, chickens offer a high return on investment for small to medium farmers. And with the rising demand for organic and free-range products, the market is very wide open. Third reason is that it fits in a very small spaces. Not everyone has acres of land, but you don't need much to raise chickens. That is why backyard chicken farming is exploding, especially in urban and suburban areas. You can start with just 5 to 10 chickens in your backyard, producing eggs for your household and even a little extra to sell in your community. You see, small space but very big potential. The fifth reason is job creation and empowerment. In many developing countries, chicken farming is providing jobs and empowerment. Women, young people, and small-scale farmers are using chickens to build income and independence. It is an entry point into agribusiness that doesn't require huge capital, just knowledge, consistency, and care. Let's just face it, the future is local. As food security becomes a bigger issue, more communities are looking at local food production, and chickens are leading the way. Whether it is for home use or supplying local markets, chicken farming gives people control over their food.